Hi, I'm Josie Lewis. I'm a full-time artist and educator. You might know me from one of my satisfying art process videos that may have popped up in your feed. Probably something with delicious-looking paint and saturated rainbow colors. I'm told my videos are a bit addictive and more than a little mouth-watering. Consider it the opposite of doom scrolling. Rainbow scrolling. My art is focused on abstract color, and I use lots of different mediums to express my ideas. You'll see textured acrylic, watercolors, gel plate printing, resin, mosaic, and more. Because I love art so much, I also feature art history videos on my channel, both traditional and contemporary. I talk about weird forgeries, juicy scandals, and why a banana taped to the wall matters more than it should. I've got a BFA and an MFA if you care about credentials, but I promise you my art history is more fun than your college lecture hall. By sharing my process videos and art history snippets, I built a community of over 3 million people across platforms, and my videos have had more than 1 billion with a B views. I've been a full-time artist for over a decade, and my work has been collected all over the world. If you've ever passed through Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, you might have walked by one of my large mosaic installations. I've also created commissions for businesses, collectors, public spaces all across the country. I sell my art occasionally to the general public on my website, and I also teach others how to make art. I've got online courses for every medium I love: watercolor, acrylic, collage, gel plate printing, color theory, and more. Whether you're a total beginner or an experienced dabbler or a professional artist, you can get access to everything I teach inside my online art school, Art Heart Academy. If you're an artist who wants to make money with your art, and I think artists should get paid, I've got you there too. I run a coaching membership called Art Revenue Coaching, where I teach everything I've learned about building an art business online. That includes defining your unique voice, learning marketing, selling your work, and building an audience. Welcome to my channel. Take a look around, check out the playlist, and hit subscribe if you want to keep seeing new videos and support an independent artist. And if you want to make art, sell art, or just think about art a little more with joy and curiosity, you're in the right place.